Now let's quickly see in this section about the exam overview. And remember, you can also get it on Microsoft Learning website, but this is just to summarize that what kind of question you can expect, and the passing marks is around 70%, which is 700 marks. And the type of the question will be a multiple choice question where you have to select one option. There will be a case study, something about like there will be a big paragraph of scenario and you have to read it, and then based on that you have to answer questions. Of course this will be again multiple choice, but there will be a case. Now of course you will have a drag and drop kind of question where you will be doing a match from A to B, and then there could be 2-3 different match exercise. There could be more than 3 also, so you can expect that kind of question. And it will vary. The number of questions should be around 60-70 question that you have to cover in 1.5 hour. And these are the different domain and the weightage. As I said, all the 4 domains are very important, so you need to focus on all of them, but try to focus more on the model data, prepared data, and visualization part. These are very important and you need to put some time. Okay, now let's move to the next section.